Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious Mexican nachos. We'll cover everything from selecting the best ingredients to achieving that perfect melty cheese. First, choose sturdy tortilla chips, ideally corn-based, as your foundation. Next, prepare your protein, whether it's savory ground beef or tender shredded chicken. Finally, gather all your fresh toppings like vibrant pico de gallo and creamy sour cream for an authentic experience. For truly flavorful nachos, the right ingredients are crucial. A mix of Monterey Jack and cheddar cheese provides the best melt and taste. Consider making your own refried beans. They add a depth of flavor that canned versions simply cannot match. And for that essential fresh kick, dice up some ripe tomatoes, crisp onions, and fragrant cilantro to create a homemade pico de gallo. These elements elevate your nachos significantly. Hey everyone, quick break. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give us a like. It really helps the channel grow. On another note, speaking of keeping things fresh, these amazing leak-proof containers are perfect for storing any leftover nacho toppings or even your prepped ingredients for next time. They make meal prep a breeze. You can find the link to grab yours, along with other great deals, in the description below. Now let's get back to the video. Proper layering is key to perfect nachos, ensuring every chip gets some deliciousness. Start by spreading a single layer of tortilla chips on a baking sheet. This prevents soggy spots. Next, evenly distribute your seasoned ground beef or shredded chicken and a spoonful of refried beans over the chips. Then, sprinkle a generous amount of your chosen cheese, blend over this first layer. Repeat these layers for maximum flavor distribution. Once layered, it's time to bake your nachos to golden perfection. Place them in an oven preheated to 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 8 to 10 minutes, or until the cheese is beautifully melted and bubbly. As soon as they come out, add your fresh toppings like sliced jalapenos and creamy avocado. Finish with a dollop of sour cream and a side of your vibrant pico de gallo for an irresistible treat.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.